Enough love from the sky and the holy eye and the holy sky. Enough love from the sky and the raining eye, the raining sky. Enough love from the sky and the holy flood and the holy blood, the holy moon and the holy stars, the holy clouds and the holy rain and the holy brain. In His last name, amen.
Grammy-winning Jamaican music pioneer Lee Scratch Perry has passed away. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Rainford Hugh Perry, otherwise called Lee Scratch Perry, has passed away. He was aged 85 years old. Perry worked with many greats including Bob Marley and the Wailers, with involvement in productions such as Axe, Duppy Conqueror, Jaliv, Funky Reggae Party and Rastaman Live Up. He was the recipient of a national honor, the Order of Distinction at the rank of officer. He was regarded as one of the most important and creative music figures of his time, and also one of the most talented music pioneers to emerge out of Jamaica. The Grammy-winning Jamaican music pioneer Lee Scratch Perry passed away at the Noel Home Hospital in Louisiana after battling illness for some time. We here at Links 007 TV just want to take this opportunity just to express our sincere condolences to his family and friends, and we'll have an updated report to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.